Bye bye bye. Bye bye. Thôi đi rồi.
So after paying a visit to my wife and daughter at my wife's parents' village during Independence Day, on which you can find out more in the previous video here, I jumped back on my motorbike and head back to Hanoi. By mistake, I got on the highway, which is prohibited for motorbikes. Although that for sightseeing I prefer to ride on the side roads, for a long way there were no exits, and by the time I finally found an exit, I was already in Ninh Binh.
Okay, so this is Ninh Binh, and from here, let's look at it first. This is the boardwalk, at least on the river. Here I'll turn right, which is east, and continue to Nam Dinh. But first let's take a look of Ninh Binh. Okay, so this is Ninh Binh. I didn't plan to pass through it, and well, the nicest thing about it is that it's the entrance to Tam Kok, but Tam Kok I have other videos. If you want to look, well, you can check out the link here. And let's fly the drone above here. Well, it's gonna rain soon, so I don't think I'll go all the way to Nam Dinh, but that's on the way, and I don't know if I'll go up to this pagoda. They say I can go all the way up there, but I don't know. I don't think so.
Xe vào đây và để uống nước.
Nước.
Cho xe vào đây xong vào để uống nước.
Không thích hút thuốc lào.
The people were very nice and friendly. They offered me to smoke a bong with them, which I declined. This guy's asking me to go upstairs if I want to, but it was kind of hot and humid and it didn't seem like it's worth the effort, so I declined. But I did accept the tea they offered me.
So they invited me to tôi đi với xe máy nha.
Cái xe thùng này nó sẵn cả bộ bê tông, nó có phanh lên trên chân đạp. Của hết cái xe rồi.
We had a nice talk. I answered the usual questions. Where am I from? What am I doing in Vietnam? Where am I going? I tried to answer the best I can, and then I thanked them and continued on driving.
Another place on the map showed that it's a point of interest, but nothing too special except of the location. Pretty nice.
This temple was nothing special except that it's under a cliff in the middle of the field. Another interesting relic in this temple is this stuffed tiger, which might have been hunted here a long time ago, since tigers have been extinct in Vietnam for quite a while now.
Just in the middle of nowhere here. So this is Chua Hien Vin of Altican. Oh, I just passed here. Looks pretty ancient. So let's check this place out. They have some kind of a ceremony now. So let's explore this place a little bit, since I'm here already. What I found out about it, it's a Buddhist temple, ancient, was restored by the local people. Yes, nothing too special. On the other hand, this woman here is telling me that this pagoda is only 60 years old. Well, that's not what I read. Hey, puppies. Okay, so I guess the only thing that's really ancient is this gate. Okay, let's continue. And since I decided not to go to Nam Dinh, I decided to explore a little bit of the countryside around here. So here just a little bit before it starts raining. The rice is ripe. The church. stopped here in a village, and okay, pretty nice. Lots of ponds, and I took up the drone, and well, it's up there now, and I'll show you the video. Just a dam. The Red River is just over there, we can't see it, but I'll lift the drone and then you'll be able to see it. And towards there, that's it. From here I continue driving straight back to Hanoi on a road that runs pretty much parallel to the Red River. Here I take a narrow path that goes down to the bank of the Red River just to get a better view of the Red River. As far away as 80 or 90 kilometers before Hanoi, you already start seeing signs of heavy industry. Many factories along the river, noticeable by so many chimneys sticking out from both sides of the river. Yeah, so many chimneys. That means a lot of pollution. Oh, some more here. Over there. Some more over here. Yeah, no wonder everything is polluted. Of course, you cannot mention air pollution without mentioning all the fires that are burning everywhere, like this one, but it's everywhere. And as if the air pollution from the factories is not enough, everywhere you go, you see people burning trash,
and adding to the air pollution.
And they burn everything, including plastic, everything.
No awareness whatsoever. And if you think it's only the common people, no, this one is a public trash burning factory. Just to get an idea of how common this harmful practice is, check out this random aerial drone photo I took and see how many fires you can count. And this is only in this resolution. Be sure that if you enlarge the photo, you can count more than double. And that's a real shame because it doesn't have to be this way. With more awareness and enforcements, the areas around Hanoi and even Hanoi itself could be much cleaner.